We'll guide you through how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in my PowerPoint, and I want to go and add in a YouTube video I want to insert and embed it. We're going to guide you through the steps you need to take in order to go and do this. This can be really convenient to do, as perhaps there's a certain video that goes and explains something, or you just want to go and provide an example, or there's another reason why, perhaps it's educational. So we're going to guide you through the steps you need to take in order to go and add it in. Make sure there's 4 videos so you know exactly what you need to do. So to go and get started, you need to come into the PowerPoint you want to do this with. And then what you can do is you can come to this slide you want to go and add it to. So for example, I want to go and add it onto this last page. I'm going to delete this here. And then what I'm going to do is just go and add in the title and name this video example. And I'm just going to resize this. So this PowerPoint is all about GuideRealm. So I want to go and provide an example of a GuideRealm video. So now what we need to do is we need to go and find the YouTube video that we want to do this with. So you can go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome here, but you could go and use any web browser you want. What you can then do is to go and search for YouTube and come to youtube.com. Now what we need to do is go and find the video we want to do this with. So at the top, I'll press search and I'll go and type in GuideRealm. Then I'll come to the GuideRealm channel. And what we can do is go and find a video I want to do it with. So for example, I may want to do it with this video here. Just go and wait for this ad to go and end. And then what you can do is I'll just press skip in the bottom right. You can go and scroll beneath the video. First of all, just watch it through, make sure it is what you want to add. Then you want to scroll beneath the video and find the option for share. You'll go and get this pop-up. Now what you want to do is you can come into share and you'll find the link here and you want to go and press copy like so. So you've now got the link that's needed to go and add it into the PowerPoint. And then what you can do is come back to your PowerPoint like so. And then what you need to do is go to the top and you want to go and find insert in the ribbon. Now you need to come over to the right, to the far right into the media section, and you want to find the option for video and you can click on it. Then it's going to say insert video from this device, stock videos and online videos. In this case, this is an online video, so we can click there. Wait for this to go and load. It shouldn't go and take too long. And what's going to happen is we can then go and add in the link at the top here. So you can go and paste it in. You could press Control-V, which is the shortcut, or right click and press paste. Wait, and then as you can see, it's then given us a preview of the video. Make sure it's the right one, of course. In this case, it is, so I can then press insert. Wait for it to load, and shortly it's going to add it in. At the moment, this is way too big. So what we're going to do is go and use one of the corner points, and we can click, hold, and drag like so. And you can then go and click, hold, and drag and position it to where you want it to be. Now we can close this over to the right. At the top, you can come into video format and playback, and you can go and adjust the settings here. For example, playback, you can choose when it starts. So I could go and have it playing automatically when it comes onto this slide. That's it.